And so if we talk about like students, they run behind like multiple internships at a time. So it is really possible that one person can pursue more than one internship at a time.
More than one internship is not highly recommended because already you are investing your time in colleges. Maybe 4 hours to 8 hours you are spending in college, and again going for two different internship may not be a right recommendation,
Okay.
because you will have to have one internship where it is aligning to your career goals. Okay, what
Exactly.
you want to become, according to that you have to choose a internship so that it will be a foundation for your next first job.
Exactly.
Right. So
Exactly.
if you are going to for a sales job at the end of an MBA, okay, then you have to pick up a sales kind of an internship in different industries, so that it becomes a foundation. Okay. So what is the
Mm-hmm.
point in going to a sales oriented internship, and one you are going to a website development, one you're going for content writing? There is no
Yeah.
meaning.
Exactly.
Okay. You fix one particular goal. Okay, this particular industry, this particular job is what my aim, career goal.
Exactly.
Okay. So accordingly,
Yeah.
when you choose an internship which is relatable to that particular goal, so that it acts as a brick by brick process for you to understand how a sales process works, what I have to learn during the process, and what I'm lagging in the process which I have to learn during the internship. Everything before even completing your graduation, before even completing your certification, everything you'll get to know, and you are well equipped to get into a full time job. If you're looking for a one-to-one job counseling, connect with me with talkmat.io/gskumar.